Hello, I'm Andrew with Fabarm, and today we're going to be unboxing and looking at the assembly-disassembly process of the STF 12. So we have here an STF FDE. We open up our box. Here we got the proof test documentation from Italy. We have the user's manual. The user's manual also has your registration card in it. We have the barrel. You'll see that the barrel already has a choke in it. That's the Accuracy HP choke. The barrel is empty, free of obstructions, clear and safe. We have our magazine extension, magazine cap. We have our magazine spring. We have our choke wrench, which also has a handy thread chaser on it. We have assorted hex key wrenches that fit different parts of the gun, including your Picatinny rails and so forth. We have the Picatinny rail that mounts to the top of the receiver, including sights. And we have our choke and muzzle brake / door breacher in the case. And then we have the gun itself. You'll notice this piece of cardboard in the ejection port. That's in there to hold the bolt in position during transit and to help you during assembly get everything aligned. We're going to take the barrel. I'm going to take the barrel and we're going to assemble it onto the gun. So now I can remove this holder without moving anything in the action. I can install the barrel by inserting the barrel extension over the bolt and sliding the barrel onto the magazine. Now I'm going to move this back out and show you that this forward sling mount does move, and so it may cause alignment issues. That needs to be aligned in order to assemble the barrel onto the gun. The other thing we need to know about, this is the magazine follower. It's the spring follower for the magazine specifically, so it needs to go into the gun with the domed end forward, the back end open so as to receive the spring. We're then going to install the magazine spring. I'm going to stand the gun up. I'm going to compress into the magazine. Let me take the magazine extension, capture the spring, and thread it onto the magazine. Run it all the way down tight. This is my slide release. I can unlock the gun and open it, and the gun is now assembled and functional from a firing standpoint. Notice the safety. So at the moment, the safety is on safe. If I push this that way, you'll see this red band indicating that it's on fire. I'm going to leave it on safe for the rest of my operations, but the gun is ready to go at the moment. We have accessories we can put on there that we're going to. Here on the top of the gun, we have our fixed sights. This is a placeholder as a part of the sight aperture. We need to take that off of the gun to allow the assembly of the Picatinny rail. The Picatinny rail has a lug on the front that mounts to the barrel, and then we're going to insert the front end of the Picatinny rail at 90 degrees to the barrel to cause it to cam lock into the front mounting post. If you can see this, I'm rotating this over to the left side of the Picatinny rail to allow it to slide in position at the rear, swings over the top, and then I can tighten it down to secure it onto the gun. Now that the Picatinny rail is on, the gun is fully functional, and it has the advantage of slightly higher sights and the opportunity to mount whatever hardware you might choose to mount to the gun. Also, with our choke, we can remove the choke that's in the gun. This is the Accuracy HP inner or flush mounted choke. And we can assemble the muzzle brake choke, which is a choke adapted to allow the muzzle brake to thread onto it. We can install that. And now we are ready for action at the range.